Tonight on National Geographic, we discuss one of nature's most fascinating creatures, Ace Venturionis, or as some have come to call it, the pet detective. Follow us as we try to learn more about this majestic and perhaps misunderstood mammal. Here, in the heart of Africa, we find our one-of-a-kind subject.
Friends! Rodents! Quadrupeds! Lend me your ears!
Often known as the lover of all animals, the pet detective has dedicated its life to protecting the animal kingdom and bridging the gap between humans and animals.
That ought to hold you for a while.
But despite his obvious physical human qualities, this is no ordinary man. Though seemingly unintelligent, beneath that unique plumage is an impressive brain. Able to solve crimes and recover stolen or lost animals, the pet detective roams the planet helping the weak and the defenseless. Though it is still unclear, many believe the pet detective to be a sort of chameleon, blending in with other species and able to interact with each one seamlessly. That is, of course, except for its own species. As odd as it may seem, the only population the pet detective is unable to connect with is its own human race.
Canadian moose during mating season. And now, a yak.
Once in a human's presence, he becomes awkward, hostile, and absolutely uncontrollable, often causing damage in a surrounding area. One mystery that has scientists perplexed is how the pet detective even got here in the first place. Where did it come from? The truth is, until recently, its origin was a mystery. That is, until this piece of amateur footage was brought forward to the public. Virtually extinct, many believe the capturing of the creature is crucial to its preservation. By allowing it to reproduce in a controlled environment, hopes are high for the avoidance of a total extinction of the species. Although recent observations in the field have shown that the pet detective has had interesting reactions to female subjects.
Do you have $1?
Despite all of this, all attempts to capture it have proved futile.
Greenwald, hit the lights! The switch on the wall beside you! Go for it! Flick it, quick!
Sadly, the pet detective begins to show the signs of slowing, and we see the toll that life has taken on it, both physically and mentally. As the end draws near and all hopes of capture flee, the future of the pet detective remains a mystery. But as long as it is still breathing,
Get it away!
and there are still animals in need, there will always be the pet